What is the history of NYBG's Enid, a Haupt Conservatory? Imagine stepping into a glass palace filled with lush plants from around the world. That's what the Enid a Haupt Conservatory offers right in the heart of the Bronx. Built between 1899 and 1902, this stunning greenhouse was designed in the Italian Renaissance style by the Lord and Burnham Company. They were famous for making large glass houses in the United States. Its design was inspired by the Palm House at Kew Gardens in London and Joseph Paxton's famous Crystal Palace. The conservatory has a giant 90-foot central dome and covers about 1 acre of glass. That makes it one of the biggest and most impressive conservatories in the country. It was created to be the centerpiece of the New York Botanical Garden, showcasing both regional plants and exotic species from all over the world. Its location was carefully chosen to keep visitors flowing smoothly between the conservatory and the museum building nearby. Over the years, the conservatory faced many challenges. It was renovated in 1935, 1950, 1978, and 1993 to fix structural issues and improve plant care. By the 1970s, the building was falling apart, and there was talk of tearing it down. That's when philanthropist Enid A. Haupt stepped in. She donated $5 million for its restoration and another $5 million for ongoing maintenance. In her honor, the conservatory was renamed after her in 1978. The 1978 renovation aimed to bring back its original beauty and fix changes that had damaged its look. The 1993 update upgraded the mechanical systems to modern computerized controls for temperature, humidity, and ventilation. This made it easier to care for the plants and more comfortable for visitors. The renovation also stabilized the structure, removed harmful materials like lead-based paint, and redesigned exhibits inside. Today, the Enid A. Haupt Conservatory is a designated New York City landmark and is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. It continues to serve as a place for plant education and a symbol of New York's dedication to preserving its natural and cultural history. Its rich past is preserved in the archives, including original plans from the Lord and Burnham Company. This helps ensure future generations can enjoy this beautiful piece of architectural and botanical history.